All right, welcome everybody. My name is Ray with the OTR trading community. I want to do another trade recap for you from today, NFP this morning. So things were a little, different than how we normally play it, but basically the same rules apply. All right. So I want to basically break down to you what I did and what I should have done differently. All right. So let's just take a look at the video here, and I will play exactly what happened to you at the end of this video. I'll show you a clip of the actual trade I took, the actual position I took. But basically, what I was waiting for was this to break my zone, leave the zone, and really, I wanted to sweep this area down here where the data candle had started. Okay. I wanted that sweep, meaning we would get somewhere here, right? Now, let's basically bring it over here and look at exactly where I got my entry, okay? What I was waiting for here, and I was telling everybody on the live call, I was waiting for this to basically give me a pull down, a pull back, and then I wanted to enter right here. By the time my slow butt took this trade, I was about here, and I didn't have the same entry that I wanted, which was totally fine. But I also want to, mention that yesterday I took a loss. Yesterday was a pretty, hefty loss for me in a sense. Like I not over risked, but I took more than I wanted on the loss side. So today I was a little gun shy. I'm not going to lie to you. Okay. So when I took my position, I ended up getting out of this position really fast. All right. So my position only made me about 150 bucks. Now, mind you, that's across a couple of accounts, which is still good money for the day. We're still up over 5K for the day now. But I want to show you what this trade actually did and what I actually should have just chilled out, let my loss run. And this is how emotions. Look at this: 40 points, 45 points. For reference, if I were to hit 30 points on my typical trade, I'm making over 3 grand per account as opposed to $150 per account. All right. So, yeah, I had FOMO. Yes, I was like, oh my God, you scared yourself out of the play. But what I didn't do, and what I'm glad I didn't do, and this is what's, taught my, this is what resilience and actual discipline looks like. And what I've taught myself over the years is to never re enter a play because you got out too early. Be happy with the win that you got. It's okay. Sure, I can look at this now and be like, man, do I wish I took more from this. But in all reality, I'm happy with the win I took. I know that, there's going to be another day. What I do know also is that my strategy works. If this play plays out, my strategy works, right? So instead of letting yesterday's loss hinder my success today, what I should have done was play the play how I would normally play it and let the thing run out. That is the trading plan, right? I shoot for a 1 to 3. When I shoot for a 1 to 3 and I cut my wins short, I'm not really getting the same, you know, back and forth that I should be getting, where every one trade erases 3 bad trades. I am messing with those numbers, right? So this is something to keep in mind. I won today, but I did not stick to my trading plan. Therefore, some part of that is a loss on my end, but that's okay because we regroup, we get stronger, and we come back again tomorrow. Now, take a look at the clip of what actually happened. I'm going to enter the play right here, guys. I'm in the play. I am in that play. All right. Well, you can see it right on the board. This is me, guys. I'm in that play. For some reason, this thing isn't showing me my positions again, but that's fine. You guys can see I'm in this play. We're almost at break even area. I know it. Break even right there, guys. Break even, break even. Let's see this next one come in and just melt out. See it melt right out. Be patient. This pulls up too far. I'm just going to exit this position. Let's see this thing pull down for us. Come on, baby. Pull down for us. I tap that BE. Okay. I'd like to see this thing leak right out on this candle here. If it pulls up anymore, I'm going to just tap my exit. exactly what we want to see. I want to see this 3 bar down now, not up. All right, I'm tapping out. Taking that money right there. Perfectly fine by me.